Yo, this your boy Simo again, guys. Welcome to my tutorials, guys. Today we'll be learning how to do the butterfly leg work, and others call it the happy feet. Guys, I will be adding something special because I will be teaching you the one step and then double step doing of the butterfly leg work. Guys, I'm going to teach you my own way of doing it, and I hope you will get it. You stay tuned and watch to the end of the video, guys. I bet you like it. You will like the video. So before we get into the video, you first check the preview. The butterfly leg work was originated from Nigeria, and guys, this is how the preview goes. And I'll be teaching you the double butterfly leg work too, and this is how it also goes. So let's get straight into the guys. This is so as to learn this leg work, this is how it also goes. You have to kind of be like, you have to relax first and kind of be like trying to bend over, not or that like that. So you have to kind of be like something like this, and you bring the right leg in front on the heel, and then you twist it and add the left in. So some kind of thing like this. You bring the right leg in front, twist it, add the leg in, jump. You jump, you stand, start again, twist it, add, jump. Can't bring it, twist it, add, jump. So this is the if you want to know it, this is the first step you have to take. You have to learn this, practice it properly, you will get it. So it's just gonna be like this. You bring the right in front on the heel, twist it, bring the left in, and you jump. So bring it, twist it, add it, jump. Like this. You getting it? Something like that. See, now to make it look like the actual butterfly leg work you are doing, so that friends will like it. As you bring the right in front on the heel, when you twist it and you bring the left in, you kind of like you sliding it over, you slide it over. So something kind of like when you turn it, you slide it over. See, you slide it over. So stand like this, you bring it out, twist it, bring the left in, you slide it over while jumping. So something like this. Slide it, and jump. Slide it 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 and jump. So faster, 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 faster. So that's how the one step butterfly leg work goes. So guys, just do it and I'll see you on your own. So I and you will go together. We're starting from lowest to highest. So let's go. Bring the right in front, twist it, add the left in, then you slide it up, then you jump. Bring it again, slide, add left in, jump. So something gonna be like that. So faster. Can do anything with the hands. So that's a one step butterfly leg work for you guys. This is a double on, guys. This it even look like I'm even the first one making a tutorial for this. So guys, I hope you will like it. So let's go inside. So the double on, some kind of like you bring the right in front and bring the left and come out. You don't twist it and send it to a different place again, and now twist it and come and add the leg, and you jump. You bring the left again, you bring the right again, sorry, and you don't twist it. You kind of like you send it and you bring it, and you now send it and you now twist and jump. So you kind of like you are just doing something like this. Bring the right in front and come and join the left leg with it. You don't twist it. So and now send it to a different place and now twist and jump. So it kind of like we are just doing something like this plus the first one we just did. So something like this. So when you know how to do this, so when you do this, you're going to the next one, you now twist and now jump. Maybe you are getting me. If you're not getting me, you can just send it back and watch again. So something like this. Bring it in, slide, 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 in, slide. Come put it on the toe. This my right. This my left. I get in it. So you can also do double, faster, 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 faster. We should do it again. So okay, let's go. Bring it, bring it, bring it, bring it, slide. Bring it, bring it, bring it, slide. Bring it, bring it, bring it, slide. Bring it, bring it. I'm slow, fast, I'm fast. So let's go. Bring it, slide. Bring it, slide. Bring it, slide. Bring it, slide. Okay, let's go. Yeah, so let's put all to learn. This is how it was all like. And then one. Okay. So let's now put it in the dance form. Hope you guys are gonna like it. So let's go. Okay.
Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running?
Yeah, guys, you please like the video, then you please just kindly subscribe, cause okay, guys, the one we just did now is not easy to learn. People will tell you, they'll discourage you. Never give up. Remember, never give up. See you in the next video. Let's go.